Have you ever wondered which chemical industries quietly power leather manufacturing, paper production, mining, and even wastewater treatment? Today, we're exploring sodium sulfide flakes manufacturing, a chemical business with growing global demand and a market expected to reach nearly $800 million by 2030. Let's understand the opportunity, manufacturing process, investment requirements, and future potential. What is sodium sulfide? Sodium sulfide, commonly known as Na2S, is a yellow to pinkish-brown industrial chemical available mainly in flake form. It is highly soluble in water and acts as a powerful reducing agent. This chemical is widely used in several core industries: leather processing for removing hair from animal hides, pulp and paper manufacturing, mining and ore flotation operations, industrial wastewater treatment, textile dyeing applications. Because of these diverse applications, sodium sulfide remains a crucial industrial chemical across multiple sectors. Market opportunity. Now let's talk about the market. The global sodium sulfide market is expected to grow at a CAGR of approximately 4.2% to 5% through 2030. Several factors are driving this growth. First, the rising demand for metals such as copper and nickel, especially for electric vehicle batteries, is increasing demand from the mining sector. Second, stricter environmental regulations are forcing industries to improve wastewater treatment systems, creating additional demand for sodium sulfide. Another major trend is the shift toward low-ferric sodium sulfide flakes, which are preferred by premium leather and paper manufacturers because they reduce staining and improve product quality. These trends are creating attractive opportunities for manufacturers who can produce high-purity grades. Manufacturing process. Let's understand how sodium sulfide flakes are manufactured. The most common commercial process starts with sodium sulfate and coal or coke. Step 1. Raw material preparation. Sodium sulfate and pulverized coal are crushed and blended together. Step 2. High temperature reduction. The mixture is fed into a rotary kiln or furnace and heated between 900 and 1100 degrees Celsius. During this process, sodium sulfate is chemically converted into sodium sulfide. Step 3. Leaching. The resulting material is dissolved in water to form a concentrated sodium sulfide solution. Step 4. Filtration. Impurities, ash, and unwanted compounds are removed through filtration. Step 5. Flaking. The purified liquid is passed through a chilled drum flaker, where it solidifies into flakes. Step 6. Packaging. Finally, the flakes are packed in moisture-proof airtight bags ready for industrial customers. This process allows manufacturers to produce stable, easy-to-transport sodium sulfide flakes for domestic and export markets. Machinery required. To set up a sodium sulfide manufacturing plant, major equipment includes crushers and blending systems, rotary kiln or high-temperature furnace, leaching tanks and agitators, filter presses, evaporators, drum flaking machine, automatic packaging systems, pollution control equipment and air scrubbers. Since this is a hazardous chemical industry, safety and environmental systems are essential parts of the investment. Licenses and compliance. Before entering this industry, entrepreneurs must understand the regulatory requirements. Key approvals generally include factory license, industrial registration, pollution control board approvals, hazardous chemical storage permissions, fire and safety clearances. Because sodium sulfide can release toxic hydrogen sulfide gas when exposed to acids, compliance and safety management are critical. Why this business? So why should investors consider this sector? Because it serves recession-resistant industries like paper, water treatment, mining, and leather processing. Demand remains relatively stable even during economic slowdowns. Additionally, manufacturers who produce high-purity low-ferric grades can access premium domestic and international markets, creating higher profit margins and export opportunities. For entrepreneurs interested in the chemical manufacturing sector, sodium sulfide flakes represent a niche but potentially rewarding industrial opportunity. If you're exploring this opportunity, we can help. With over 30 years of experience, we support entrepreneurs and industrial groups at every stage. From techno-economic feasibility studies and market analysis to process design, equipment planning, compliance, and financial modeling. Because this isn't just about setting up a plant. It's about building a business that sits at the foundation of modern industry. If you found this breakdown valuable, let us know in the comments. And for more deep dives into high-barrier manufacturing opportunities, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.